Introduction to JavaScript arrays. Arrays are ordered collections of data. They can contain various types of data, including strings, numbers, objects, and other arrays. A common task is to check if an array contains a particular value. Understanding the includes method. The includes method is a built-in function in JavaScript that checks if an array contains a specific element. It returns a Boolean value, either true or false. The method is case-sensitive. Its syntax is array includes element start, using includes method with start parameter. The start parameter specifies where to begin the search in the array. The start index is zero-based. If the start parameter is negative, the search starts at the end of the array. Common mistakes and tips. Remember that the includes method is case-sensitive. The start parameter refers to the index, not the element value. The includes method cannot be used to search for objects or arrays within an array. The includes method does not change the original array. It only returns a Boolean value. Conclusion: the includes method is a powerful tool for checking if an array contains a specific value. It's important to understand its case sensitivity and how the start parameter works. By avoiding common mistakes and using this method effectively, JavaScript code can be more efficient and easier to read.